It's going to be another busy day in the garden, and it's going to be a hot one too. But today I gotta clean up some of this mess in here. The rutabagas are getting a bit overgrown. Some of them are ready to be picked. I also need to plant my third row of carrots. It's kind of late in the season, it's July, but what the hell? Let's give it a shot. First row is growing beautifully. I think I chopped some of those down too. Gives the new plants a bit more light. And then I'm going to have to clean out some of this too. We're running low on lettuce in the house anyway. And some of the bok choy, baby choys, the kale and that chijimisai, is that what it's called? Those need to be washed up, and I actually freeze those for later use. Peas are almost done. There's only a few left on this guy to pick. I can probably just pick them off today, and then I'll be uprooting this entire guy, and it'll give the pole beans and the watermelons a bit more space to grow. These guys are purple. They'll be purple. Interesting. I've never had a purple bean. 50-some years old, I've never had a purple bean. And then after I do stuff in the garden, I need to help Juan move a few things around from his shop. And then I will be making some strawberry jam. We picked up some fresh Ontario strawberries today, myself and my neighbor. They smell delicious. And I picked up some cherries too. I think I'll make some cherry jelly. And look at that. You don't like to see those guys. So this is what we do with them. Keep a jar of soap and water around. And force them in there. Otherwise they eat the shit out of your plants. Last summer we would spend sometimes like a full hour hunting through everything to find these stupid beetles. They only come out, I think it's about a month that they're really a pain in the butt, and after that they're gone, but still, in that time they can do a serious amount of damage. And look at the figs. Growing beautifully. Anyway, oh, look at on my basil too. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Shoot. I screwed up. Now where the hell are they? Oh, man. Okay, well, I think I'll have to try this hunting expedition another time. But see what I mean? They're everywhere right now. I got so busy doing what I was doing, and I completely forgot, I should show you the gnarly looking rutabaga that came out of my garden. Looks kind of cute. Well, whatever. This is the other one. They're certainly smaller than the ones you see in the grocery store, but at the end of the day, it's just the two of us, and I'm the only one who eats turnip or rutabaga or whatever you want to call it, so I don't think it matters. I did get some jams done. My neighbor and I went to a farmer's market and picked up some fresh strawberries, fresh Ontario strawberries. Like, they permeate your nose. It's like you could smell the strawberries from a mile away. These are freezer ones. I did plan on doing some water bathing, but my pectin is all expired, so I got to go get some new stuff. But anyway, still have a lot more to do today, but I'm going to call it quits for now because I'm pretty tired. I'm going to get the rutabaga done up, clean up my kitchen, and then I think I'm going to put my feet up for the rest of the day. It's like 25 after 5. I've been up since 7. It's long for me. I'm not an early bird. I almost forgot to show you one more thing. Been drying some herbs too. This is the first of the oregano. It still needs to dry a lot more. But it's also the first of the drying sessions for this year because I have, that's loud, sorry. Sorry, just trying to concentrate. Oops, no, we need more. Probably another 4 hours. There we go. That's oregano, and I still have a lot more oregano in the garden that can be dried. But then I've got some sage ready to go. There's also some Russian tarragon that's good to be dried. And of course there is the, basil and parsley, which are nowhere near ready yet, but they're growing. And oh, and there's thyme too. I still have thyme in the garden, waiting for that to grow a bit more before I cut that. Now I'm going to sign off for the rest of the day. Y'all enjoy your weekend. Bye.